for various state government. The central government has given authority to the state governments to recommend the locations for such projects. But generally the state ministers recommend project location for their own constituency. Sometimes recommendation for particular location has no base. For example, Fisheries Academy has no coastal base, Forest Academy has no forest base. The union government expands thousands on the boundary of Nashik Municipal Corporation. The distance between the boundary of Nashik NMC and the Sinnar Corporation is only 7 to 8 kilometers, which will be developed within 4 to 5 years, and the two cities will be combined by completion of this project. In Sinnar, there is industrial zone whose workforce stay in Nashik and travel daily. Madam, Mumbai Airport is run by JVK, a private company, and the rights to time slot to take off and land the aircraft are exclusively given by the JVK. Government PSU Airlines Air India has applied for time slot to JVK to connect Mumbai with two-tier cities like Nashik, Hubli and Pune. From 1st May, they get transferred into a model for the others. From my constituency Nashik, I had selected Anjaneri village. The village development plan was sanctioned on 5th June 2015, consisting 181 number of work. While meeting in petroleum sector, the basic price of petroleum products are decided and kept common by the public sector and private sector oil refineries. In other sector, for example in aviation, to fly a particular destination at given time, the public sector airlines and the private sector airlines don't keep their fare common. The fare differs as per their strategy, techniques and planning. But in this case, consumer has choice to go for the best lowest price. So through you, Honorable Speaker Madam, I want to ask the Minister that whether government is planning to compete the public sector and private sector oil refineries for dynamic price market without losing government revenue, and also consumer will have choice.